Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new today, I'm sharing one of my very first cleaning videos. You're gonna see Kensley when she was just a little baby. I am so excited to be sharing this with you guys today because I think it's so cute and funny to kind of watch back and see how much things have changed. Forgive me for some of the audio, and definitely the quality isn't as good as it is today, but this is where it all began, and you kind of can see where it all started and how far I've come. So if you want to see that video, then just keep on watching. Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my daily cleaning routine. This is something that I do pretty much every morning. I get up and we have breakfast, and then I get dressed and I come in and start to unload the dishwasher from the dishes that we had the night before, and then I straighten everything up, throw the trash away. And I know my husband always makes a huge mess in the morning when he cooks breakfast, and my daughter leaves a mess before she leaves for school, so this is something I do pretty much every single day. Right about here, you'll see my little girl. She'll discover the camera there. She's not seen this before, so she can see herself and me in the viewfinder, and it kind of freaks her out. She's not really sure what to think of it. And she'll grab a hold of my leg. She was pretty terrified for a second. Right here is proof that our little ones are always watching everything we do, and our little girls want to be just like mommy when they grow up. It's so cute watching this. When I played back the footage and I saw her standing there staring at me. We don't realize this stuff when we're busy doing our housework, but our kids are watching us. If you have a garbage disposal like I do, they can start to smell pretty bad. And even if you don't have a garbage disposal and you just have, a regular sink drain, they can still start to smell because things get trapped in there. And it's really important that you clean them out on a regular basis. So the best way to do that is to pour a little bit of baking soda in there and then pour some vinegar. Let that fizz up and sit for a few minutes, and then you can rinse it out with really hot water. So here I'm just getting ready to mop my kitchen floors. I just put a little bit of vinegar and a whole lot of hot water, and that's all I use. And it does smell like vinegar while it's wet, but I promise you as soon as the vinegar dries, it doesn't smell like vinegar anymore. This candle is the best smelling candle, y'all. My daughter got this for me for Christmas, hot cocoa and cream from Bath and Body Works. It smells amazing. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hit the subscribe button, that would be awesome. Thank you guys. Bye. If you are new here, you can see from these clips that I've come a long way in my channel and in my editing skills. So if you would like to subscribe, I would love to have you. I would love to have you come and see how things have changed in my home now and catch up with us. So please subscribe and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video.